Good morning, students. Welcome back to our channel. In our previous class, we were having a discussion on the poem line, right? Now it's a time to have a discussion on the poem's question and answers, right? So here we have a first question. Why does the poet say the squirrel or a question mark for a tail? Draw a squirrel or find a picture of squirrel sitting on the ground. How would you describe its tail? Right? So the question which was asked to you is, why does the poet call or said it over a question mark? Why? And they asked you to draw a squirrel. So here, or you can take a picture of squirrel and paste in your fair book, right? Then here, find a picture that done. How would you describe? Yes, you have to describe in your own way, right? About that, right? The poet said the squirrel wore a question mark for a tail because its tail is twisted, appearing like a question mark. Why that poet said like that? It's twisted. That's what the poet said. It wore a question mark for tail, right? Yes. Yeah, next we have a question like, do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? What do we say? Yes, think, does an animal wear a coat? Consult a dictionary. Means you can take a help of dictionary if you like and find out how wear is used in different ways, right? Yeah, answer for this particular question is, we usually say that an animal has a set of given characteristics, right? Rather than saying wear, the poet, however, use the word wear to indicate the external characteristic of the squirrel, right? To show an external characteristic or attribute, right? To show that an attribute, the poet said, it wears a question mark for tail, right? The dictionary meaning of wear suggests something of an over covering, over, as I explained yesterday, over covering, for instance, clothes, you can say. Okay, then he liked to tease and play. Who is teasing whom and how, right? Here what they are asking, they have given a statement, he liked to tease and play. Who is teasing? Who is teasing whom, right? It means answer is, the poet liked to tease and play with the squirrel, right? Whenever the poet went a little close to the squirrel would run away in the other direction. These are the three questions which are asked to you after this poem, right? I just want you to write these all three questions in your fair book and answer also. Then that picture you collect and paste in your notebook, or otherwise if you are good in a drawing, draw a picture of the squirrel and paste or draw in a4 sheet and paste that a4 sheet in a notebook. Yes, thank you for watching this video, right? Okay.